Hello everyone. I am here to share my coloring for the, oh gosh, I always forget the name. Hang on. Hashtag Gel Pens with Tess 2025, hosted by Coloring with Tess. I knew that part. And we are, some of us anyway, are using this book and we're using only gel pens in it. That's the point of this collaboration. And for what I did today, which isn't that much this week, so I apologize in advance, but um, I used the A&Art glitter gel pens only. That's everything I used. And there's so many colors in this pack. I really do enjoy these, 100 of them. So last week I did this as well as some other things. I never did get to this page yet, but this week all I did was the other half. So here's my finished page. Let me move you up a little bit and I hope you can see it. It's all very glittery. This is like a pale lavender and I just added some darker purple stripes. I wanted this to be bright and colorful to offset the more muted tan and red over there. And then here, this one's a little more muted. But I looked up moth colors and it sort of reminds me of those lantern flies, which are bad, but they're pretty though, but they're bad, but not quite exactly. So this is like a red and black and sort of a neutral burgundy tan kind of color. And it's like the cap looks burgundy and it does have a pinkish tone to it, but anyway. And that's a little more muted than this one. And then here was a lot of green in the froggy. This also has a lot of green, different shades. And I used a blue here for little bluebells, but down here I went with pink and white. And there is a white glitter pen in that pack. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. No, because there we go, because my camera won't focus. So anyway, that's what I got done for this week, and I don't know if I'll do this for next week because I'm kind of anxious to maybe do half a page of these next week. Yeah, or the butterfly. I don't know. I love this butterfly. I know um, Noralis Colors, I believe it is. Nori, I think she calls herself. She did this the first week, and it's gorgeous. So I don't know. I'll try and still go with the flow and I honestly, I don't know if I'll be able to do too much more than like half of this page again for next week because I have a busy schedule for part of this week still. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Thank you, Tess, for hosting this fun collaboration and coming up with the idea. And I hope to see you again really soon. Hugs, love, and peace.